Hey guys, so today we're going fishing for flathead and hopefully get a jack. Yesterday I came to the same spot and I caught 2 flatty. My dad caught 1, a huge, maybe 50, 60 centimeter jack. Have a go at my plastic, tear it apart. So hopefully I'll be able to get some fish today for you guys. And you know, I guess we'll see how it goes. Here's what I'm using today. Pearl white shrimp in the 3-inch. This is what I had most of my success on yesterday. Well, all of my success. This is the only lure I caught fish on. So if I don't get anything on this today or for a little while, then switch up to something different, maybe a different color or something else. Yeah, let's get right into the fishing. Okay, so here's the first cast. Really shallow. Oh, shut up. So it's really shallow and heaps of mullet around. I don't know. I know it's never really too shallow for flathead. Like, it's about probably 0.2 to 0.1 meters deep. This is all I'm doing, is just twitch, pause. Bounce at the bottom. Oh my god, can you not? Oh. Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up on camera, but there's heaps of mullet flicking around and everything. Like heaps of them. But it's not really worth bringing the cast net here. Considering it's pretty snaggy. But as you can see, this creek would be awesome for jacks. Haven't actually, for one, come here for a jackfish before. But one day I will come here with some baits and oh, that was a fish. But yeah, as I was saying, one day I will come here with baits at night and probably at a high tide or something, go for it, jackfish. Stupid leaf. Yeah, well, that's a good sign at least. I've already got in the hit. Well, we're just gonna be walking along here. Like, it's a pretty much, I guess you could call it a pathway. And there's little cracks between. You just fish in them. Like, back this way is where me and my dad got our few fish. So we kept them for dinner, but today I'm only doing catch and release. So yeah. Yeah, I was gonna walk along here, see him even bleeding. So now we can get back to fishing. It's pretty shallow through here. It'll be a bit deeper. It'll be deeper during the when the tide comes in more. Like a lot deeper, and the water will be up to like here, like right in front of me. Hey, we'll make do with what we got for now. Where we're heading, it's a bit. Oh, got it. Yeah, where we're heading, it's a bit more open. Actually, a lot more open. So just gonna keep going forward. Just keep going. Oh yeah. Okay, here's where I lost that big jack and caught the bigger flatty of the day yesterday. Jack came out of that log right there. And the flatty was right in front of me. Like directly in front of me. At my feet pretty much. Oh, don't think that was a fish. Oh, it's a fish. It's a fish. Got one. There we go. Look at that. I watched him come up and eat it. How cool's that? Maybe it was a fish the whole time. Okay. Well, let's get the bag off. Let's go, no donuts. Okay. Let's get my glove. So I don't get my thumb ripped apart like I did yesterday. Ouch. That was by two flatties, just by their mouths, bit me. Well, the bigger one bit me. Okay. I'll grab my lip grips. Where are they? There we go. Oh, he spat my lure. Come on, got him. He'd be legal. Look at that. Yeah, flare off me. Flare up. Look at that. There we go. First fish of the day. Flatty. Okay. I'll sort this guy out. First fish of the day. That's Flatty. He went 41 centimeters. So, not bad to start with. Biting me. There he is there. Haven't been bitten yet, or spiked. So, yeah, nice fish to start off with. Hopefully we can get something a bit bigger. Let's get him back and go get another one. I just lost my second last shrimp, so I'm down to my last one now. This one's a little stuffed up, but I'm going to be running this one weedless. So, just going to rig this up here. Okay, so I'm going to use this one weedless, hopefully get another flatty, and we're going to be using this one also skip cast for jacks. We won't be able to skip cast once we get out here, because it's just open area. But yeah, okay, well, I'm ready. We're just gonna keep walking. We don't have that much further, really, to fish, but I'll fish this whole area multiple times. So I'm just gonna walk up here without slipping. There we go. And here we are. Still walking. Once we get to the end of the trail, I'll probably end up switching lures. If not, then I'll just put a jig head back on here, maybe. But yeah, it's starting to rain. Yeah, I've only caught one fish at the moment, but that's okay. We'll hopefully get another one. That was a hit. I've had a hit on this log here. Little boat. Oh, stick. Yeah. At least I've caught a fish. That's the main thing. I'm gonna switch up lures. Okay, well, I didn't get any success on the shrimp anymore, so I just changed over to a squidgy whip bait. Looks pretty good. Haven't looked it in the water yet, so just gonna do that now. Oh yeah? Yeah, Flatty will eat that. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw this around. Tide's still coming in. Haven't seen any much rally at all. But we'll go as far as we can. Probably start walking back and then maybe do another lap. We'll see how we go. Okay, so we're gonna stop here as well. There's a little eddy being made here as well. Like, so I'm just gonna throw in between that, like in the middle of there. Let it hit bottom. Okay. This is pretty much as far as I can go, I think. Well, as far as I know for now. Oh. That was a hit. Do a few more casts. Oh, did I just feel a wind knot? Yes, I did. And thank God it pulled. Oh my Lord. Let's keep going. Today, I'm gonna take my kayak up here. Like once it's done, because we need to silicone it because it leaks. So I'm going to fish plastics, like just skip casting plastics, throw them up in these trees. Probably come in at high tide and all the trees are pretty much covered, and when it's deep enough for good jacks to sit up in here, because jacks need to at least have somewhat part of their back underwater. You know, like it's just this whole area is just full of leaves and like it's full of trees and sticks and everything. It's insane. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and go check out the Mangrove Jack Fishing Queensland site on Facebook. Link will be in the description. Go check out Doug Burt's Tackle World. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.